Good morning, class. So today's class is going to be an advanced class. We are comparing, contrasting different perspectives on the same topic. And since you are college students, I expect you to be more engaged in the lesson. These are the things you are going to be doing as you move on to year 2 and year 3. So the class of today is comparing and contrasting, and we're focusing on two major skills, reading and writing. So we read the articles, we understand different perspectives, and then we write. By writing, that's when we compare and we contrast. So alright, so class, now let's warm up our brains. Can anyone tell me the countries that border Rwanda and Kenya? Okay, thank you. Burundi. Who else? George. Uganda. Okay, I agree. Tanzania. Okay. DRC. Correct. Now, from the countries you've mentioned, do you have some countries that border both Rwanda and Kenya at the same time? Let's see. Somalia. Okay, I agree. Somalia has a border with Kenya, but does it have a border with Rwanda? No. Tanzania. Yes. So if you look at that map, you can see that Tanzania borders both Rwanda and also borders Kenya. Okay. One more question to see to test your geography, because the text we're going to be reading could be about UK, United Kingdom. What is another name for United Kingdom? People confuse it with Great Britain and also with England. But where is UK located? America, Africa, Europe, Asia? On which continent is it located? Europe. Thank you, Jessica. Good. Now, so compare and contrast. Compare is the opposite of contrast. Let's turn and talk and see what is the meaning of compare and what is the meaning of contrasting. When we're comparing, what are we doing? When we're contrasting, what are we doing? So you have 2 minutes. Okay. Yes, keep talking. So if you want, you can use your dictionary, there's no problem. You can even Google it or use ChatGPT to see. Okay, let's come back together. So we are coming back in 3, 2, 1, together. Okay, so now compare is giving similarities and contrast differences. Correct. But before we read our article, let's compare and contrast the 2 headlines of the 2 articles we are going to read. And we are going to use a Venn diagram. Okay? So a Venn diagram is like this. And this. So here we put similarities. So this is article A, and everything that is peculiar to A goes in the side, and everything that is specific to article B goes in that side. Okay? So our first article is so you can see it on the projector. So Rwanda sending flowers to UK, and Kenya being the country that sends more flowers to UK. Okay, so you can see the articles. I tried to paraphrase them, but you can see the articles on the screen. Okay, so in the same pairs, could you write the Venn diagram and find what are the similarities in the two titles and what are the differences in the two titles? Okay, so you have 5 minutes. Then after, we will read individually the articles. Okay, and you can see the pictures as well. You can see the pictures in the articles. It could help a little bit to compare the two titles. Okay, so thank you. Let's move to the next activity.